In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input video in Canva. If you're building a promo, putting together a product video, or adding motion to a presentation, knowing how to bring video into Canva can save you a lot of time and frustration. The good news is that Canva makes this process very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your project, upload your own video files, use Canva's stock video library, place your clip into your design, and then export everything in high quality. To begin, open Canva and go to your main dashboard. From there, find the project you want to work on in your recent designs or project list, and open it so you're inside the editor. Before you do anything else, take a quick moment to make sure you're in the correct design and that your canvas is fully visible on screen. This helps you stay organized and makes it easier to place your video exactly where you want it. Next, head to the left side of the editor and click on Uploads. This is where you can add your own video footage from your computer. Once the panel opens, click Upload Files and select the video clip you want to use. Canva supports common video formats such as MP4, MOV, and MKV, so in most cases, your footage should upload without any issue. After you choose your file, wait for the upload to finish completely before moving on. If your file is large, this may take a little longer, so just give Canva a moment to process it. If you don't have your own footage ready, you can also use Canva's built-in stock video library. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then scroll until you find the video section. Use the search bar to type in a keyword that matches the style or topic you need. Once you see a clip you like, you're ready to add it to your project. Now take your uploaded video or selected stock clip and drag it directly onto your canvas. If your design includes a frame or grid, hover the video over that area until it snaps into place automatically. This is much easier than trying to resize everything manually, and it helps your layout stay clean and aligned. Finally, review your design and check the timeline at the bottom to make sure everything looks right. You can also align text and graphics using Canva's built-in guides so the design feels balanced. When you're happy with the result, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Set the file type to MP4 video, choose 1080p HD or 4K if available, make sure all pages are selected if needed, and then click Download to export your finished video. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.